Hi learners, this is Sir Bambi and welcome to my Baybayin class. Sa videong ito ay ating matutuhan kung paano isulat ang mga character I, O at U ng Baybayin. And let's start! Simulan po natin sa character I. Ito po ang character I ng Baybayin. Uulitin ko po. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then 1. Get your notebook and ballpen, let's practice. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, and then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 1. And then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 1, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 1, and then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then 1. Let's proceed sa character O ng Baybayin. Ito po ang character O ng Baybayin. Uulitin ko po. 1, 2. Hold your ballpen and let's practice. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. And then 1, 2. And last, character U. Ito po ang character U ng Baybayin. Uulitin ko po. 1, 2, and then 1. And let's practice. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1,1, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 1. And that ends our Baybayin tutorial for characters I, O, and U. Don't forget to subscribe to join my class, like this video for your attendance, and click the notification bell para hindi ka malate sa class ko. This is Sir Bambi and you may now evaporate. Bye!